Are you bored of the old programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python? Are you bored of all these? Do you want to learn something new, some new languages, which could be our future? Then in 2023, you can set the goal to learn any of these languages. And these are one of the highest paying programming language. Before jumping into this video, I have a good news for you. Unacademy has launched a NextLevel app, which you can download from the App Store or Play Store. The iOS version of this app has been launched. This will give you a grip into your preparation. Here you can showcase your expertise and skills, get a professional rating, and based on the rating, you can unlock the jobs. How you can build your profile? You can build your profile by coding competition with your friends. You can invite your friends. You can have fun gameplay with the learning. You can not only play the game 7 to 9 p.m., but you can play for 12-hour duration from like 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. So as soon as you install the app, you will be added to a waitlist. So I would highly recommend you to join it by today. Refer your friend to move up on the waiting list. I am already there on the app. You can use my coupon code. Everything is there in the description. And guess what? It's free of cost. So in today's video, we are going to talk about some futuristic programming languages. So let's get started. Language number 1, Haskell. So it is first invented in 1990. So it's a functional programming language which was introduced in 1990 itself. It is created to eliminate its predecessors' drawback like Hope, ML or Miranda. Language number 2, Swift. It is the most important language of recent time. This was launched in 2004 and today it has become the best paid programming language in the IT industry. So, Swift. Language number 3, Scala. Scala ranks the high among the highest paying programming language. It is a high level language that combines functional and object-oriented programming. Number 4, Rust. So in 2010, this new programming language Rust appeared. The Rust initially started as a side project. It is similar to what C++ offers, including some of the keywords and commands.